Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing well, and I'm sorry that I couldn't be there today. But I wanted to give you a quick update as far as how we're doing as far as relocation is concerned. So let's go take a look. A quick reminder, to achieve platinum status with Cartas, we need to achieve 65 or more points. For gold status, we need to earn 60 to 64 points, and for silver status, we need to achieve 55 to 59 points. If you recall last month, we had 61 points total. So where do we stand right now? We are at 53 points. So what happened? Why did we lose those 8 points? Well, one of the big factors was our BMA variance. We went from 3.0% to 4.4%. Cartas wants our goal, and our goal with Cartas is to be under 4%. And it's a measure of our accuracy. The BMA variance is the difference between what we say that property will sell for and what it eventually does sell for. And just in that small little difference between that 4% and the 4.4%, we lost those 7 points. So what I'm doing is working with Cartas to see if there's one of our higher variance files that can be counted as an exception. I'll keep everybody posted to see if we can get one of those files dropped from our statistics. I'm also looking at our pending files, and right now we have 3 pending files. And two of them are really good variance wise and will help us out, and there's one that definitely won't help us out. But we're hoping that that one that doesn't help us out won't close until next year, so it won't affect our numbers this year. It'll be something that we will have to work on next year. Again, I'll keep everybody posted. What else can we do? Well, I've talked to everybody and sent information out about the military rewards program. Getting AGRs in through this program will definitely help our standing as far as platinum status is concerned. There's great marketing materials out there. If you need anything, reach out to me. I will send those marketing materials directly to you or any of your agents. What we're looking at now is one of the flyers. I've had agents already on Long Island make copies of these flyers and go to their local VFWs and military organizations and drop their flyers off with their personalized information on there. So that's a great way to get your name out there and also promote the AGRs for the program. How the program works is it's the new program, the Relo and Coldwell Banker Military Rewards Program. It's very similar to the way the USAA program worked, in that the member gets a cash bonus or a cash benefit for selling or buying a property by using Coldwell Banker. And on the screen is an idea of what their benefit is per price point. We also have an awesome AGR contest. So an agent that enters the client in through the program will be entered into this AGR contest. For every client that an agent puts in through the system between September 23rd and December 16th, that agent will receive $100 just for doing that. Every 2 weeks, we will choose one agent who submitted those AGRs during that time period, and one agent will receive $1,000. It's pretty awesome. If any of those files close by the end of February 29th, we're putting all those agents' names in a hat and we're giving away 10 $2,500 prizes. So $25,000 prizes in total if any of those files close. So if you have any questions or you need any materials to promote this at your office, just let me know. I'll be happy to help. One other key factor that's going to help us to get those extra platinum points is outgoing referrals. And we've been doing a spectacular job. In fact, last month, we've placed more outgoing referrals than any other brokerage our size in the entire Northeast United States for Cartas. So again, the advantages are guaranteed payment. Your agents can also interview agents. We can get the names of agents in the area to interview for their clients. And again, the benefit to them is a 35% referral fee, and they get paid at their normal company split. Right now, 82% of the referrals that are going out and outgoing referrals are coming through relocation. So thank you so much. Let's keep up that great work. That's really going to help our numbers at the end of the year. So that's a quick summary of and the latest and greatest as far as where we stand as far as relocation goes for the company. As always, I want to thank you so much for all your support, all your understanding. I'm trying to get it out there as much as I can. I talked with Bill. It's a kind of a limiting factor between now and the end of the year. policy-wise. But what I'm really doing is instituting using Teams. And Teams is a site where we can communicate through the computer and the agents can actually see me and I can interact with them. We're going to be using more and more of that company-wide for relocation business. So again, thank you for all your support. If there's anything you need, just reach out to me. I hope you have a great day.